Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials: a working device, stable Wi-Fi, and a phone for verification. Next, pick the email name you want and set a recovery phone or alternate email. This prevents lockouts. Once ready, open accounts. Google.com/signup and tap Create Account. Enter your name, birthday, and a secure password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure you type the password twice to avoid typos. Then, continue to the next verification screens to proceed. You now handle verification and core settings. When prompted, choose SMS or call for phone verification and enter the code exactly. This ties the account to your device. Once verified, review privacy and personalization options, turn off any data sharing you don't want, and confirm Add Personalization settings. Then set up two-step verification or generate backup codes. This adds a second layer of protection. Make sure to save recovery details and note where backup codes are stored before moving. You finish by signing into your devices and enabling sync for contacts, calendar, and Drive so everything updates across platforms. Perform a quick security checkup. Review recent activity, connected apps, and app passwords to remove anything suspicious. Make sure your recovery email and phone are correct. Then test sign in on one additional device. If something fails, clear browser cache, retry the verification, or start the account recovery flow. Keeping a recovery phone or email nearby resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.